Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a vendor here in Zoho Books. Alright, so first up, log into your Zoho Books account and now go ahead over to purchases. Okay, in here, go ahead and select vendors. Alright, as you can see here, I already created a sample vendor right here. But to do the same, you can go ahead over to the top right, click on plus or new. Now enter the details. Okay, add in salutation. Okay, for example, or if not, you can just leave it blank. First name right here. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and add in my own name. Company name, answer ASAP. Display name, answer ASAP as well. Now order details. If you already have configured it right here at the top right. Company ID, currency, accounts payable. Okay. Opening balance, payment terms, documents. Add in more like the Facebook or Skype number right here, designation department, and the website URL if you want to. Do not forget about the address, like so. And once that's done, once you have added the value right here, you can just easily click on copy billing address. Okay. And once done, go to contact person, add it right here, custom fields, supporting tags, and remarks. Once done, go ahead and hit on save. And after that, you now have another vendor right here. That is it. Once you click on a vendor, you can go ahead and click on new transaction, send a bill, so send a bill payment, expense, recurring, you name it. Okay. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.